1, 2, 3, 4. Welcome back, kindergarten scholars. Today we're going to be using the same rhythm as last week, but we're going to be doing something different with it. First, let's start by reviewing. Our time signature is 4/4, telling us that there are going to be 4 beats in each measure. We'll be using eighth notes, 2 eighth notes connected with a beam, quarter notes, 4 eighth notes connected with a beam, and of course, our quarter rest. Let's do each measure separately. 1 and 2, ready and count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Nice. Second measure, same as the first. Ready, count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Nice job. Let's try the third measure. 1 and 2 and ready and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Nice job. Last measure. 1 and 2, ready, count. 1 and 2, 3. Nice. Let's put it all together. Nice and slow. 1 and 2, ready and count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3. Excellent. Let's practice that one more time together, and then we'll take it to the next level. 1 and 2, ready and count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3. Nice. Now down here at the bottom, you'll see F's and you'll see H's. F is for your foot or your feet, and H is for your hands. You'll notice that all of the F's are underneath our eighth notes. F, eighth notes. F's, eighth notes. F's, eighth notes. F's, eighth notes. Our quarter notes are underneath or above the H's. Quarter note H, quarter note H, quarter note H, and so on. So what we're going to do is we're going to count the rhythm the way we just did, and on the eighth notes, we're going to stomp our feet, and on the quarter notes, we're going to clap our hands. So it's going to go foot, foot, hands. Foot, foot, hands, or feet. Feet, feet, hands. Foot, foot, hands. And you can count it either way. The best way to do this would be sitting down on a chair so that you can stomp your feet one at a time or both together. If you want to do it standing up, you can do that too. Just make sure you're safely situated so you can see the screen. Don't try to do this standing up holding the computer. That's a bad idea. Let's try the first measure together. 1 and 2, ready and go. Foot, foot, hands. Foot, foot, hands. Good job. Let's do it again. Ready? This time I'll point to the notes. Ready? Go. Foot, foot, hands. Foot, foot, hands. Nice. Now, we know the first measure, which means we already know the second measure. So let's do both of those. 1 and 2, ready and go. Foot, foot, hands. Foot, foot, hands. Foot, foot, hands. Foot, foot, hands. Nice. Let's try that third measure. A lot of feet in this one. Ready? Go. Foot, 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 hands. Good, let's do it again. How many feet did you count in that one? Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 and 2 and 3 and are all feet, and then one hand at the end. Ready? Go. Foot, 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 hand. Nice. And let's practice our last measure. Ready? Go. Foot, foot, hands, hands. Nice. Do it again. Ready? Go. Foot, foot, hands, hands. Nice. Let's do these last two measures together. Let's practice those together. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Foot, 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 hands, foot, foot, hands, hands. Excellent. You ready to try the whole thing? All right, all the way from the beginning. 1 and 2, ready and go. Foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, 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 hands, foot, foot, hands, hands. All right, let's practice that a couple more times. 1 and 2, ready and go. Foot, foot, hand, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, 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 hands, foot, foot, hands, hands. Nice. Let's do it one more time together. Ready? Go. Foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, 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 hands, foot, foot, hands, hands. Nice. Now, you know what? I think it'd be cool if I got to do this with you. Let's switch this screen up so I can actually see you. And here I am. Let's try this together. 1 and 2, ready and go. Foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, 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 hands, foot, foot, hands, hands. Do it again. Foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, 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 hands, foot, foot, hands, hands. One more time. Foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, 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 hands, foot, foot, hands, hands. Awesome. Thanks for doing that with me. That was fun. So as always, go back if you need to and practice this as many times as you want. Have fun with it and take care of yourselves, take care of others, take care of your learning, and stay safe. Namaste.